Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving 41 problem. Its name is Mario transformation. It says Mario transforms each time he eats a mushroom as follows. Uh, if he currently small, if he's currently small, he turns normal. If he's currently normal, he turns huge. If he's currently huge, he turns small. So every time Mario eats mushroom, so if he's small, he becomes normal. If he's normal, he becomes huge. If he's huge, he becomes small. So given that Mario was initially normal, okay, he's initially normal. Find his size after eating X mushrooms. Okay, got it. What is saying? I'll try to tell you on the board. Don't worry. First line of input will contain one integer t denoting number of test cases. So yeah, let me take in t, say in t while t minus 1. This will take care of all the test cases, and each test case contains a single line of input containing one integer x. So they have let me solve this way. I'll call one function. Usually people do it this way, so I'll also do this way only. Void solve. We are calling one function solve, and in each test case we are calling this solve function, and there it contains one input integer x. We are taking x. Now x is basically the number of find what x. Yeah, x is basically the number of mushrooms that Mario is going to have. So yeah, let's take the example. They have given three examples. I mean three test cases. In first test case, uh, mushroom that Mario will be eating is 2. So let me take you to the board. So what it is saying in first case, x is 2, meaning see Mario if Mario is small, let's say it is the position of the Mario, then he'll become normal. If he's normal, and if he now eats mushroom, he'll become huge. And let's say if he's huge, when he eats one mushroom, he'll become again small. This is the condition they've given. So now, and initially they've said Mario initially will be always normal. So he'll be in this state initially. Got it. So now let's take two mushrooms he'll eat. Since Mario is normal now, he'll eat one mushroom. Since he's normal, he'll become huge. He became huge, and he have eaten only one mushroom, and one more mushroom he need to eat now. So he's eating now one more mushroom. Huge will turn to small. So Mario's final state, if you see in this case, will be small. Got it right? This is the case here. This was the first case. Let's try to see the answer if it is correct or not. Yeah, it is small. Now let's take the 4. I mean, when Mario eats X mushroom, I mean 4 mushroom. So now let's take the example wherein Mario is eating 4 mushrooms. So yeah, this is good example. I'll try to tell you how to find a shortcut. So first Mario is normal. He'll eat one mushroom. He'll convert to huge. Now one more mushroom he'll eat. Huge will convert to small. Now one more mushroom he eats. Now small will convert to normal. He has eaten 3 mushrooms and he came to the same state. After eating 3 mushrooms, he'll come to the same state every time. And one more mushroom he'll eat, from normal to huge he'll come. So huge is our answer in this case, if you see. Yeah, which is correct, huge. So in this example, if you could see, like Mario, after eating 3 mushrooms, he'll get to again normal only, right? This is one of the one of the things that you'll have to remember. I'll explain one more example now, and then tell you how to solve this. So yeah, 12 they have said. So x is basically 12. Now one thing you'll have to do is see, let me explain you and then I'll tell you. Mario is in normal state. He'll eat one mushroom. He'll go to huge. One more mushroom he'll eat. He'll go to small. One more mushroom he'll eat. He'll go to again normal. Small to normal he'll go. So 3 mushrooms have eaten. Again same state is there. So Mario will come into this state only. Okay. Now again one more he'll eat. He'll go to huge. One more mushroom he'll eat. He'll go to small. Again one more mushroom he'll eat. He'll go to again normal. So if you see 3 mushrooms he have eaten here, Here also 3 mushrooms he have eaten. So in the same way, if you continue, still 3 more mushroom will eat, and one more 3 mushroom will eat. So total of 12 mushrooms are there, and after eating all the 12 mushroom, he will get back to normal state only. So in this case, how we'll have to solve the problem is that if there are multiples, I mean 3 multiples are there. So this is basically 12 is 3 multiple of 3. So you have to find 12 modulo 3. 12 modulo 3. If it is giving reminder as 0, he will be in normal state only, because in this case if you see, he started with normal. After eating 3 mushrooms, he'll come back to the normal only. So this is multiple of 3, so he'll come back to normal. If it is 1, let's say, so this was the case when x was 4. So x was 4, he have eaten all the mushrooms, I mean 3 mushrooms. After fourth one, which means he came back to the normal only. After eating fourth mushroom, he'll go to the huge state. So whenever 1 is there, he'll be in normal, I mean 0 is there, he'll be in normal only. Whenever this modulo operator comes 1, so he'll go to huge state, else in other condition he'll be in small state. If you do modulus with 3, you'll get 1 2 3, only these 3 values. So yeah, it's easy problem only, not that hard. So let us try to write the code. So yeah, x we have got, so we'll take int val, which will be x modulo 3. Once we got x modulo 3, now we'll have to check this val. If val is 0, as I said, val 0 means the number of mushrooms that is eating is a multiple of 3, so he'll be in normal state only. So in this case, we'll have to return normal. Now okay, else if val is equal to 1, which means when 0 is there, it will be normal state. When val is 1, he will be converted from normal to huge. So you will have to print huge. Else we have only one value, that is 2, because we are modeling with we are doing modulo operator with 3, so we'll get only 0 1 and 2, 1 or 2 values. So at the end value by default it will be 2 only. So when he is in normal state and he is having 2 mushrooms, he'll go to small state. Let's try to run the code. Yeah, as you can see, small is normal, small is normal. Let's try to submit the code. It got submitted, so it was easy, only not that hard. Basically, you'll have to find modulo. So I think from all the 40 videos, I mean, in the series, you are saying modulus operator is very important in solving any competitive problem. So you'll have to figure out how to use these modulus operators in place. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.